Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture we are going to talk about basic data types in Python, and first we will begin with integers. So let's say I have a variable x and I assign a value 3 to it. Now if I check this variable x for the data type, I get integer which is a whole number, right? Now if I assign a variable y a value 3.12 and then check the data type of this variable y, and as we all know, a float is any number which is a fractional value or is having digits after the decimal point, right? Now if I assign these values together like this, it should work. Yes, it will work because Python supports multiple assignment. Now if I print the value of x comma y, it should give 3 and 3.12, right? If I put anything else here and then run, same has been assigned to b, you can see, right? Now if I want to delete a variable, let's say I want to delete x, I'll just use this del command and then I will run the cell, and if I now print x, it will say that x is not defined. And now I want to show you how to cast a data type. So what is y? In y we have 3.12, right? But if I cast this float type to a int type, how should I do it? I will use this thing enclosed by integer, and then if I print y, see, the float has been casted to int. Now if you want to check the data type of this y, which is int. So this is it in the numbers, and in the next lecture we will move on to strings.